If you want to set up your shipping rates on Shopify, then you're on the right video. Hey everyone, my name is Sarkis. I have scaled numerous brands to 6 figures and beyond. If you want to stay up to date, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First and foremost, if you don't have a Shopify store yet, make sure to click the link in my description because you will get access to a 3-day free trial and then only have to pay $1 for the next 3 months. Now, after you do that, all you have to do is click on settings right here. Once we're in settings, we click on shipping and delivery. Then we click on general, which is usually the shipping rates are applied to all of your products. As you can see over here, we already have our shipping zones and our shipping times and rates up and going. All right, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is click on add shipping zone right here, and then you can select the countries you want to ship to. Let's say I want to ship to Africa and Asia, and I want it to be under the same shipping zone because I have the same rates to these 2 continents. Then all I have to do is put over here, call it whatever I want to, so Africa plus Asia, correct? And then press on done. Once I press on done, as you can see, it's right here in the bottom. But very important, what is this right here? No rates. Customers in this zone won't be able to complete checkout. Very important. If you don't have a rate, you won't be able to, get that money. You won't be able to collect that money because people won't be able to check out. So you have to add a rate even if it is free. So let's go ahead and add a rate. For the rates, we will be covering all the different types of rates. Number 1 is the free one, right? So we can say custom rate name. We will say insured delivery. And then what you can write here is insured delivery. If you're working with a specific company, you can mention that. But what I would highly suggest you is you put the days they are going to expect this. So let's say insured delivery takes anywhere from 5 to 8 days. Then I will put that in. And then if you want to add any delivery description, you can do that. I can say it's completely free. And then you can see how it's going to look like in the checkout preview. You can see over here, insured delivery, free. It's looking pretty good. All is good to go. This is the first kind of rate. It's just free shipping, right? The second rate is free shipping above a certain threshold. There's a lot of big brands out there that do this. And easy way to do this is you can put a conditional pricing. I would just click on add conditional pricing, and instead of based on item weight, what I'm gonna go for is based on order price. And I will say minimum price is $50. So you can see over here, it will be free above $50, right? So it will be free above $50. Now, if I go with that suggestion, then of course we will go with the paid rate as well. So let's go ahead and add that in. So you can see over here that, as we said, it's going to be free insured tracked shipping, 6 to 12 days, orders 32 pounds and up, which is $50 and above. Now, of course, I need to give them a solution for them to be able to check out in case, their order is not above $50. So I always have to click add rate, and over here use flat rate, and I will go for standard international to the 11 business days, and that usually costs, let's say, £3.99. There you go. So you can see over here, the person that is checking out and they have an order less than $50, this is the one they will have to pay. So £3.99. Go ahead, press done, and there we go. Now, another one I would add, most brands have this, is they have the, free insured shipping 6 to 12 days, but they also offer an express shipping time. So you can add another rate and you can say express international. So that will take 2 to 7 business days or whatever days you guys have, and then put in the price. So let's say, express international is like £10. Then I would add that in, and like that person will be able to see all 3 different rates. Now that we're done with this, if you want to add another shipping zone, right? We still have Europe missing. We can go down over here, select Europe, and say Europe, and maybe we have different prices. So all we have to do is go through the same steps, add the shipping rates, and we are good to go. Yeah, so all we have to do over here is just add the rates that might be different, and now the person that is checking out from Europe will get hit with those specific rates, and the person checking out from Africa will get hit with the other rates. So like that, you're specific to the countries you're shipping to. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave it in the comment description below. I'll make sure you get answered ASAP. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all next week.